Hi, welcome to the Open the Door to Tai Chi Beginning Homework series. These videos are intended for you to start to learn some of the movements of Tai Chi. Now, whether you found us because you're taking a class from a certified Open the Door instructor or you're just looking to learn some Tai Chi, this is what those videos will help you do. Of course, Tai Chi is much more than just learning the individual movements. Throughout these videos, you'll hear me refer to some of the underlying principles, things like columns or moving from the dantian. As you learn more Tai Chi and you learn the flow of the form, you'll also learn to apply these underlying principles. And that's where the benefits of Tai Chi really start to happen as you understand those underlying principles. But as a beginner right now, don't worry about that too much. I want you to enjoy these videos, learn the individual movements, and keep going with Tai Chi. Welcome to your beginning Tai Chi homework number 3. We'll start with a transitional movement called hold the ball. Bring your weight all the way over onto the right. Bring that right hand high and the left hand underneath as if you're holding a ball. Then as you step to the left, you bring your left hand high and your right hand underneath. Make sure that weight comes all the way over. And you keep that elbow dropped. Don't let that elbow be high like this because that just causes tension in your neck and your shoulders. Now we're going to do Chi walking, which Chi walking is not a movement per se in the form, but it's the basis of all the movement. Bringing your left foot forward, bring a little bit of weight onto that left, rock back. Open your body up about 45 degrees, bring all the weight onto that left and step straight forward with the right. Bringing a little bit of weight onto that right, rock back, open your body up about 45 degrees, bring all the weight onto that right and step straight forward with the left. This is the concept of substantial and insubstantial, and I want you to think of water flowing from one leg into the next, and you want to get the leg empty before you lift it. So let's try it again. Bringing that left foot forward, bring a little bit of weight onto that left. Rock back, open your body up. Now as the weight comes onto the left, imagine water flowing from that right leg into the left, and let that right leg become completely empty before you step forward. Now a little bit of weight comes onto the right, rock back, open your body up about 45 degrees. Now all of that weight's coming onto the right, so the water is flowing from the left into the right. Don't lift that left leg until it's completely empty. That's your Chi walking. So now in homework number 3, we're going to learn part the wild horse's mane. That starts with a hold the ball position. Holding the ball to the right, that means your right hand is high and your left hand is underneath. You're going to step out with that left leg, bringing the left hand up, the palm is facing towards the face, and the right hand comes down. If you look, actually both palms are facing towards the back of your body. Part the wild horse's mane, holding the ball to the right, step forward with the left, bring that left hand up, and the right hand down. If we do it on the other side, starting with hold the ball to the left, which means the left hand is high, step out with the right. The right hand comes out and the left hand comes down. One more time on this side, holding the ball to the left, step out with the right, part the wild horse's mane. Now we're going to put those together just like you do in the form. And we're going to add the rocking back and forth, which you did in the Chi walking. So holding the ball to the right, which means that right hand is high, step forward with the left, let that left hand come up. Then as you hold the ball to the left, you're going to be rocking back just like you did in Chi walking, and then step forward with the right, part the wild horse's mane. One more, hold the ball as you rock back, bringing that weight onto the right, and step forward with the left. Part the wild horse's mane. That rocking back and forth is part of that chi walking, and you've got hold the ball and chi walking in part the wild horse's mane. Now we're going to do a movement that you actually have to step backwards, and it's called Repulse the Monkey. If you start with your left foot forward, your left hand in front with that palm facing towards the ceiling, the right hand is behind you with the palm facing towards the ceiling. The first thing I want you to do is just bring that right hand up and over as if you have a ball right here between your hands. You bring that left hand back and the right hand turns up. It's really uncomfortable right now, but that's okay. Left hand up, bring that right hand up and over, and then cross hands, bringing that left hand back, and now both palms are facing up. So yes, that's an uncomfortable position because what you're going to do is you're going to step backwards and turn. Step backwards and turn. So let's put the two of them together now. Left foot is forward, left hand is up, right hand is behind. As that right hand comes up, and now they cross, this is where you bring your weight back and you step backwards and turn and open yourself up. Now that right hand is in front, the left hand comes up and over, and as they cross, this is where you step back and turn. That's Repulse the Monkey, and it's kind of fun to step backwards as a change from always going forwards, right? Now we're going to learn kick, smash, and box the ears. If you bring your weight all the way over onto your right, just lift your left knee. Then bring your weight to the left and lift your right knee. Now you're going to add the kick. As the weight comes all the way over onto this right, you're going to lift and kick. Good. Then bring your weight to the left, lift, and kick. You can see that I'm not kicking very high. The height of the kick does not matter. What matters in Tai Chi is that you're balanced. So now we're going to add, it's not only just kick, it's smash and box the ears. So I want you to bring your weight over to the right, lift this left leg, kick, now smash, and then stepping forward with that left, circling your arms, you're going to box the ears. In Tai Chi, when we have a fist, it's an open fist, as if you have a robin's egg and you don't want to crush it. When you're boxing the ears, those hands are not completely together. They're separated and they're loose. So let's do it again on that side. Kick, smash, and box the ears. Then you can do it on the other side. Bring your weight over to the left, lifting that right, kick, smash, and box the ears. In the form, you actually only do it on the right, but I like for you to practice on both sides because this is a great one for improving your balance. And that's the end of your beginning Tai Chi homework number 3.